ATV on a small carded card. 2005, model number 167, ATV. Cool color. We got ourselves sort of a purple black thing going on here. It's all metal base and chassis ATV. And then can anybody think of maybe the Xbox 360 ATV game? Chrome, really dark chrome variation wheels, and my gosh, man, I'm running out of things to say, but shoot, I'll just keep on going. 5,200 and something cars. Shoot, heck, why stop now, right? I'm on the roll, baby. Now I gotta do my other cars.